By 2030, 92 million jobs will be eliminated, gone, replaced by AI and automation. That's not a guess, that's not clickbait, that's the World Economic Forum. They surveyed over 1,000 of the world's largest employers, representing 14 million workers, and that's what they found. But here's the part nobody's talking about. In that same time frame, 170 million new jobs will be created. That's a net gain of 78 million positions. And the people getting those jobs, they're making 28% more than everyone else. LinkedIn just confirmed this. AI has already created 1.3 million new jobs. AI engineer is now the #1 fastest growing job in the entire country. This isn't a crisis. This is the biggest opportunity of our lifetime. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to be on the winning side of it. The jobs that are disappearing, the jobs that are exploding, why I saw this coming and left my engineering career, and how you can position yourself right now to profit from this shift instead of being crushed by it. If we haven't met, I'm Jonathan Montoya. I used to be an electrical engineer. I had the quote-unquote safe job, the steady paycheck, the 401k, everything society told me I needed. But I remember sitting in my car before work one day thinking, is this really it? I looked around at my coworkers, people who had been there 20, 30 years, and I realized something that scared me. My job wasn't as safe as everyone thought. Technology was changing faster than anyone wanted to admit. So I made a decision that everyone thought was crazy. I left. I went from a stable engineering salary to living in an abandoned house with a negative bank account. But I started building online businesses. I learned AI before it was cool. And today I've helped over 60,000 students start their own businesses. I've built an email list of over 600,000 people. And I've created AI software products that made over $28,000 without writing a single line of code. When I saw the World Economic Forum report drop, I wasn't surprised, I was relieved, because the data proves exactly what I've been saying for years. Relying on employment alone is the riskiest thing you can do right now. Let me show you what the World Economic Forum found. They surveyed over 1,000 of the largest employers on the planet, companies representing more than 14 million workers across 55 countries. This isn't speculation, this is what the people doing the hiring are actually planning. Here's the breakdown. 92 million jobs will be displaced by 2030. AI and data processing alone will eliminate 9 million positions. Robots and automation will displace 5 million more jobs than they create. And 41% of employers are actively planning to reduce their workforce where AI can automate tasks. That's not a future prediction. That's happening right now. The jobs getting hit the hardest: clerical roles, cashiers, administrative assistants, accountants and auditors, printing workers, data entry. But here's what really got my attention. 39% of the skills required for jobs today will be completely different by 2030. Not slightly different, completely transformed. And LinkedIn just released their own data that makes this even more real. 52% of people say they're job hunting in 2026, but 80% feel completely unprepared to find a new job. 80%. That means 4 out of 5 people know something is wrong but have no idea what to do about it. Meanwhile, hiring in advanced economies is still 20 to 35% below pre-pandemic levels. The jobs are disappearing, the competition is increasing, and most people are frozen. Now here's the part every headline ignores. While 92 million jobs are disappearing, 170 million new jobs are being created. That's a net gain of 78 million positions. And LinkedIn just confirmed AI has already created 1.3 million new jobs, not predicted, already created. Over 600,000 of those are AI-enabled data center jobs alone. Here's what's exploding right now. AI engineer is the #1 fastest growing job according to LinkedIn's 2026 report. AI consultant is #2. 3 of the top 5 fastest growing jobs are AI related. And here's the money part. Jobs requiring AI skills pay 28% more than identical roles without them. For non-technical roles like marketing, sales, and HR, AI literacy alone can boost your salary by 35 to 43%. Data engineers are making $153,000 median. AI engineers are making $145,000 median. Data analysts with AI skills are making $170,000. And here's something fascinating. LinkedIn found that people adding founder to their profiles has increased 60% year over year. The number of founders has nearly tripled since 2022. Why? because people are waking up. Rising costs and economic uncertainty are pushing people to rethink the traditional career ladder. The old path doesn't feel safe anymore, because it isn't. The people building right now are the ones who will own the next decade. Let me tell you why I saw this coming. When I was an engineer, I watched automation slowly eat away at jobs that everyone thought were safe. I watched companies promise loyalty and then lay off entire departments overnight. I realized something most people don't want to admit. Your employer is not loyal to you. They will replace you the second it makes financial sense. And now it makes financial sense. The World Economic Forum found that 9 out of 10 executives report having up to 20% overcapacity in traditional roles. That means companies already have more employees than they need. They're just waiting for the right moment to make cuts. And AI is giving them that moment. When I left engineering, people thought I was crazy. You're giving up a safe career. You're throwing away your degree. What if it doesn't work out? But here's what I understood that they didn't. There is no safe career anymore. The only safety is in skills that can't be automated and income streams you control. So I started building businesses. I learned to create digital products. I learned to build audiences. I learned to use AI as a tool, not compete against it. And now I'm watching everyone else panic while I'm positioned exactly where I need to be. The LinkedIn data backs this up. People are waking up to this. That's why founder registrations have tripled. That's why 52% of people are job hunting. Deep down, people know the old model is breaking. The question is what you're going to do about it. So what should you actually do? Most people will tell you to upskill and adapt. That's vague advice that doesn't help anyone. Let me give you something concrete. You have 3 options. Option 1, get an AI-related job. LinkedIn shows AI engineer is the #1 fastest growing role. If you learn AI skills, you can position yourself for these new high-paying positions. The data shows a 177% increase in people adding AI skills to their LinkedIn profiles. 60% are adding ChatGPT skills, 38% are adding prompt engineering. You're 26% more likely to get hired if you have AI skills on your profile, and you'll make 28 to 43% more. The problem? You're still trading time for money, and you're still dependent on an employer who can replace you tomorrow. Option 2, move to roles AI can't touch. The World Economic Forum shows the biggest job growth is in roles like farm workers, delivery drivers, construction workers, nursing, teaching, and social work. These require human presence that AI can't replicate. The problem? These aren't necessarily high-income paths, and you're still trading hours for dollars. Option 3, this is the path I took. Build an AI-powered business. Instead of competing with AI for a job, use AI to build something that generates income, whether you're working or not. LinkedIn found that founder registrations have nearly tripled since 2022, 60% increase just in the last year. People are figuring this out. The smartest people aren't looking for jobs, they're building income streams. Let me show you the real opportunity here. The World Economic Forum found that 77% of employers plan to upskill their workers to work with AI. That means companies are desperate for people who understand this technology. But here's the thing, you don't have to wait for your employer to train you. You can train yourself. And instead of using those skills for someone else, you can use them to build your own thing. AI can write your content. AI can build your software. AI can handle your customer service. AI can run your marketing. What used to require a team of 10 can now be done by one person with the right tools. I built freedomthreads.ai in an afternoon. It made $18,000 in the first few days. I built truevest.ai without writing code. It made over $10,000 in the first month. I didn't compete with AI, I used it. Here's the math. If you sell a $97 digital product to just 100 people a month, that's $10,000. An AI software tool with 500 users at $47 a month is $23,500. An AI consulting service at $2,500 per client with just 4 clients a month is $10,000. And unlike a job, these income streams don't require you to trade 40 hours a week of your life. The systems run while you sleep. That's not fantasy. That's literally what I do. That's what thousands of my students do. While 80% of people feel unprepared for what's coming, we're building assets that generate income automatically. Here's the truth. The World Economic Forum surveyed over 1,000 of the world's largest employers. LinkedIn analyzed millions of job transitions and hiring patterns.
The data is clear. 92 million jobs displaced, 170 million jobs created, 78 million net new positions. But those new positions aren't going to everyone. They're going to the people with AI skills. They're going to the people who are building. They're going to the people who move now. 52% of people are job hunting. 80% feel unprepared. Which side do you want to be on? The people who wait will be in the 82 million displaced. The people who build will be in the 170 million created. The early 2000s was websites. The early 2010s was social media. The 2020s is AI. The people building right now will own the next decade. If you want help getting started, that's exactly what I teach inside the AI Freedom Launchpad. For $97, I'll show you how to use AI to build a real online business, how to create digital products, how to build income streams that don't depend on an employer. And here's what makes it different. You get master resale rights. That means you can resell my entire program and keep 100% of the profit. So you're not just learning how to survive this shift, you're getting a product to sell immediately. Over 60,000 students have gone through this program. Many of them started exactly where you are right now, scared about the future, unsure what to do, but they took action. I genuinely believe AI is one of the biggest opportunities God has placed in our hands in decades. It's not about who knows about it, it's about who does something with it. Link is in the description. Comment build below and I'll send you a free roadmap to get started. The future isn't predetermined. It's shaped by the choices you make today. Let's build. I'll see you in the next one.